Hi, and thank you for joining me for the first part of the Serenity Blanket Crochet Along. The first part is my design. It's the hovering butterfly pattern, as you can see here. For this pattern we are using the Cedar Country Classic worsted yarn. This yarn was very generously provided to us by Helen from Caterpillar Yarn. I will link her store below. This yarn, I just love it. It's so nice and soft. It consists of 50% acrylic and 50% merino wool, which makes it very soft and has a very beautiful stitch definition. We also use this yarn in the last year blanket, the Harmony blanket. You can find in Helen's store specific kits for the Serenity blanket and also more affordable yarn option and kits, so take a look at your store. Okay, so let's start. If you are working the full blanket, chain 194 chains. The stitch pattern is a multiple of 6 stitches plus 2, and the whole blanket is worked over 192 stitches. So for my sample I made 24 chains plus 2, so I have 26 chains, and I'm starting in the third chain from the hook. The first row is just 1 double crochet in each of the chains across. So work 1 double crochet across the first row, and I will meet you at the end of the row. So we finished row 1 and we will continue to row 2. Let's turn and chain 2. The chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch here in this pattern, and we are working 1 double crochet in the first double crochet stitch and 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 double crochet stitches. Now we will skip the next double crochet stitch and work 1 double crochet in each of the 3 double crochet stitches. So skip this stitch and work 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Okay, so we have 4 double crochet, skipped stitched, and another 3 double crochet stitches. And now we are going to work the crossed puff stitch in the skipped stitch here. So yarn over and insert your hook into the skipped stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn through. Pull it up to the height of the other double crochet stitches, so it won't tighten your work. Now yarn over again, insert the hook again into the same skipped stitch, pull the yarn up. Now you will have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull the yarn through all 5 loops. So this is your your crossed puff stitch that is worked into the skipped stitch here. And now we will continue. Now work 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Make sure not to work into this stitch, which is the last stitch that you worked your double crochet stitch into. So 1 double crochet and another double crochet. So this is the repeat section. Let's repeat it again. We are skipping the next double crochet and working 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now work a cross puff stitch into the skipped stitch here. So again, work it quite loosely so it won't tighten your work. Yarn over, insert the hook into the skipped stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn through and up to the height of the double crochet stitches. Now repeat, and with 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull the yarn through all 5 loops. And then work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Continue repeating until the end of the row, where you will have only 2 stitches left. So let's do one more repetition. Now I have 2 double crochet stitches left at the end of the row. Work 1 double crochet in each of these stitches. Okay, so this is it for row 2. Let's move on to row 3. Turn your work. Chain 2 and work 1 double crochet in the first double crochet stitch and in the next 2 stitches. Okay, now we will start our stitch repetition. So we are skipping the next double crochet stitch and working 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, which are the crossed puff stitch and the next 2 double crochet stitches. So again, skip this stitch and work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And now we will work the crossed puff stitch into the skipped stitch, the same as we did the row before. And now we will work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Again, make sure not to work into this stitch. This is the stitch where you work the last double crochet. So you will be working into this stitch and this stitch. And now let's repeat, skipping the next double crochet stitch and working 1 double crochet into the next puff stitch and 2 double crochet stitches. And now work your crossed puff into the skipped stitch and 2 double crochet, so 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So you are repeating these stitches until you have 3 double crochet stitches left in your row. So let's repeat one more time. Now I have the 3 last stitches left in my row, so work 1 double crochet in each of the 3 stitches to finish off your row. Okay, and this is it for row 3. You can see the little butterfly. And now we will turn and move on to row 4. And row 4 is just 1 double crochet in each of the stitches across. So chain 2, work 1 double crochet in the first double crochet stitch, and in each of the stitches across. Okay, so this is it for row 4. Now to continue work your blanket strip, just repeat rows 2 to 4 twice, and then continue working the transition rows as explained in the blanket CAL post. You will find also the main post of this crochet along in the description below. I hope you will join us. Thank you.